We have some news just out this morning from PayPal. The company's Venmo app will now allow its 70 million customers to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrency. Now, the rollout begins today, and it's going to be available to all customers in the next few weeks. Customers can choose from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. We need to get an update on whether Dogecoin is on the app. The app will also feature guides and videos that help answer commonly asked questions about cryptocurrency. But this could see a huge surge into this space.
Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name's Austin. Yes, you heard that correctly. Starting today and being rolled out over the next few weeks, every single user of Venmo will be able to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency in as little as $1 increments. And by the way, with PayPal, who's already done this, their demo is more for the merchants. Venmo's demo is more for the people. And how this affects you, this onboards millions and millions of people to automatically have a cryptocurrency wallet right on their cell phone. Now, in today's video, we're going to go over 3 different stories, including big news from U.S. publicly traded company WeWork, big news for U.S. cryptocurrency regulation, breaking news for Cardano and Polkadot, as well as other top altcoins in the space. So, like always, check the timestamps down below in the video description. But let's finish up real quick with PayPal, because the 77 million Venmo users that just got access to cryptocurrency will be big. And it may not directly affect the price today, or even this week, or even this month. But over time, as people see Bitcoin and Ethereum go up, and on your app you have a choice to keep your balance in cash, or keep your balance in Bitcoin or Ethereum, I would guess that a large percentage of these users would say, yes, I'll keep my balance in Bitcoin. Why not? It's just going to be sitting there anyway. Now, of course, on this channel, we'll always bring you all the information so you have the full picture and you can make the best decision for you. And the full picture in this case for Venmo, like anything else, is there are fees. Those fees begin at a flat 50 cents for every transaction under $25, then span a range beginning at 2.3% transactions under $100 and drops to 1.5% for those transactions over $1,000. And this is not the best, right, in comparison to the Coinbase Pros and the Binances. But with Venmo, you get the ease of use / convenience, more so than the cheapest fees. Either way, this is a very big deal. Give me your thoughts down below in the comment section. And speaking of major adoption news for the US, publicly traded company WeWork is now accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So real estate / shared office space company WeWork is taking payments for its services in Bitcoin and will actually hold the crypto it receives on its balance sheet. So they are now not only believers, but they're putting their money where their mouth is, and they're HODLERS as well. WeWork will start accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through crypto payments provider BitPay, which, by the way, does give companies the option to never touch the cryptocurrency. They can cash these crypto payments immediately into fiat. WeWork is saying no, we'll HODL the crypto. Now, would somebody actually ever pay in crypto? Well, major exchange Coinbase will be the first customer to pay for its WeWork membership in Bitcoin, or maybe Ethereum. Now, WeWork is not accepting everything. WeWork will specifically only accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, Paxos stablecoin, and a few others. And in a direct quote, when we think about the workplace of the future and business, we have to consider cryptocurrency a central part of that conversation. Wow. Things are really moving fast. Give me your thoughts down below on WeWork, and don't take this for granted. This is major. Now, before we talk about some pretty interesting news coming out of Binance US today, I do want to clue you in on Cardano and Polkadot, because ADA and DOT extend their staked capitalization dominance. So these two altcoins are pulling ahead of the pack when it comes to their community and how many people choose to stake. According to the data from Staking Rewards, Cardano is currently the top blockchain in terms of stake value, with roughly $26.4 billion worth of ADA allocated to securing the network. So obviously, you choosing to stake is you choosing to secure and support the network. And with Cardano's entire market cap being taken into consideration, that means around 73% of the circulating supply of Cardano are right now being staked. Huge show of support for the network, and Staking Rewards estimates that Cardano stakers are earning an annual reward of about 7.22%. Not too shabby. So Cardano is number one. The second largest crypto asset by staked value is Polkadot, with $22.7 billion worth of DOT locked. That represents about 64% of its circulating supply locked up being staked, with the average annual staking reward for DOT holders estimated to be more than 13%. What this means to you, this is just a fundamental green flag for both networks. And checking out the entire chart, we see that Solana blockchain actually just passed Ethereum 2 for third largest amount of capital being staked. And then, of course, we have Avalanche, Algorand, USD Coin, the list goes on. Interesting. Let's keep tabs on this as the next few months go by and see which networks can keep the most loyalty of their users through how many people choose to stake. I'll keep tabs on this. Okay, before we get to NFTs and before we get to TEZOS, first, let's talk about crypto IRAs. For those of you looking for a quality crypto IRA, basically if you want to trade cryptocurrency tax-free, I want to take 60 seconds and give you a recommendation. I like iTrustCapital. They are a partner of the channel, but I also personally use them. So with iTrust, you can not only buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency tax-free, but also precious metals in your IRA as well. And the thing I like is they have institutional custody, they are insured, they're backed, so your digital assets are secured. I will link my full video breakdown on how to realize gains and trade tax-free, linked down below. And be sure to use the promo code altcoin in all caps or click the link down below to get your first month free. Like I said, I use them. And actually, they just added Cardano, as well as Polkadot, Chainlink, along with a vast array of other top altcoins. Check them out, link down below. And next piece of major news for TEZOS holders. Gaming giant Ubisoft joins the TEZOS ecosystem as a corporate validator, meaning that the video game giant behind Assassin's Creed and Far Cry will help the TEZOS blockchain to bake new blocks. So if you are a TEZOS hodler, what does this mean to you? Well, by Ubisoft becoming a validator, or baker in TEZOS's terminology, the company will help the ecosystem by validating transactions and producing new blocks. This is akin to being a miner in proof-of-work blockchains such as Bitcoin, although TEZOS itself is using a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm. So this would be just like Nintendo, for example, saying, hey, us as a company are going to start mining Bitcoin because we believe in Bitcoin. Ubisoft is saying, hey, we're going to start validating TEZOS because we believe in TEZOS. As part of the TEZOS ecosystem, Ubisoft plans to continue its experiments with the liquid proof-of-stake technology and research how it could affect the future of gaming. So maybe down the road, we'll start to see some Ubisoft gaming NFTs on TEZOS. In a direct quote from Ubisoft, "We're happy to be joining the TEZOS ecosystem as a corporate baker. Ubisoft believes that blockchain has the potential to bring new possibilities to players and developers alike." Interesting. If you hodl TEZOS, give me your thoughts down below in the comment section. In my opinion, pretty freaking huge deal for the TEZOS ecosystem. I will do more research. I'll keep you updated. Next piece of US cryptocurrency news for major exchange Binance US. The former top US banking regulator, Brian Brooks, who was the former currency comptroller under President Trump, to become the CEO of Binance US Crypto Exchange. This is a huge get for Binance US. According to the Tuesday announcement, Brooks will replace the current Binance US CEO, Catherine Coley, effective May 1st, 2021. And let's not forget, before Brian Brooks worked for the United States as the currency comptroller, he was formerly the head of Coinbase's legal team. Brooks has emerged as a prominent figure in the crypto industry due to his continued efforts to provide regulatory clarity for crypto. So what does this mean for you and me as just average hodlers in crypto? In an interview with the Wall Street Journal, Brooks said that his priorities at Binance US would include making the exchange a strong competitor to Coinbase, as well as reinforcing its commitment to regulatory compliance. Good. I like that. Coinbase needs as many competitors as it can get to keep things fair. Give me your thoughts down below. That is the video. My name's Austin. See you tomorrow.